You see the video they want me say no, with the cartoon. So you don't answer me.
I was in class.
So class not done it. You look like a whole day and night class you go. You watch them? Hey, me telling you, I never get me.
Daddy, if I have a homework, I should watch them.
So how you watch the other foolishness them where you always watch? You ever watch Pure Garbage? And I tell me about people who eat toothpaste and pepper and all kind of fat. My youth, a bad cartoon them say.
The one I name Silver Hawk.
Yeah.
What else I see? I see where the first one that I said was this boy or girl, I don't know, with this white thing and a red look like ruby right there.
Just check them out, Bridget, and tell me all the things. Oh, that's why I'm saying them. That's it. That's why I'm saying them. Oh, yesterday workout. Well, water come back now, so everybody alright.
Go down to a place where water is about 4 water trucks.
So you never have any water? You serious? No water never there? Oh yeah, I say.
4 water trucks we see at how much 1 year ago there's 4 water trucks we see. But mom says she see about 50 other people.
Yeah.
Not them little mini drugs, not those little drugs that you would normally carry, you know. Drum like that, like they're like bars.
Yeah.
Yeah, those drums. So mommy just turned back. Mommy she went to other spot. And then we could see, you know, someone over there.
Yeah, so. Why? It show you how essential water is, right? Yeah. Some things that people take for granted, right? So we take for granted, man, and not see the importance sometimes. Well, not even the importance, but we just, because we have it so much, we tend to, you know, don't take it as anything until we don't have it.
Because I say everybody was saying where they're getting water and this and that.
Yeah,
Because they were listening to the Miller FM. They were saying, town people and country people were having an argument because only 2 days water gone and them argument and I need to say
well, because I say people in rural areas most time they have water. Yeah, them have tanks and them have like drums and so. Yeah, with water. You know one person who always have water? Who? Mr. Anjones. I know Mr. Anjones, man, talk about your grandmother.
Oh, yeah, too. I was under them count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't even count.
Yeah, man. Grandma always have water. So I should have drums outside. Yeah.
That's probably when the water gone.
True. Yo. Alright, now in the morning now.
Plus the buckets were in the bucket.
Plus the?
Plus the drums were in the bucket. Full of water when you do that.
Yeah, me know she always full them up. Right now, me know she smile and say, see it? Tell her no.
When the one I said,
Let me show them where see it, you know. Oh boy, I tell you. So you finish all of the homework them what you claim to have to do? Huh? Okay.
When I'm going there, there's all these people
In online class?
No, in the classroom where they give you homework.
Yeah.
It's only people from the other class I see in there.
Oh yeah? What happened to your class?
No, I don't make them see.
Okay.
But
You-
like because we get the same homework, we do the same work, so we don't just get the same thing to do. So they will just combine the work. So
Okay. Well, you will make sure, sir. You will do your work. That is it. That is it. So I guess on the weekend I can watch the what I watch. Yeah, watch them and tell me what I think. Cause man tell us them.
Daddy, I do it in your routine, you know, wake up early in the morning, dinner.
But you don't wake up early in the morning.
Yeah.
You do
This morning I woke up 5 o'clock.
And what? You get up 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
And you come here still already?
I was ready.
Okay.
I was waiting.
Okay. So you eat a breakfast and everything? You have on the socks? Belt? You have on everything?
Put on all spray. No,
Boy.
put on spray.
You don't normally put because you know you have to rush.
No, I don't. Even when I'm not rushing, I don't put on spray.
Why?
In school, I'm going. I come back smelling like school.
No, they don't have to come back smell like school. You have to come back smell nice. You don't know that? No, look so. Bridget, what do you mean come back smelling like? So you think that is a good thing?
No,
Primary school people normally frozen in a park. When you just little and moldy, I don't know what I do over there?
Daddy,
Yeah.
over there.
Is it school?
Daddy, son, you
So
can't
not-
stay in, and plus, even if I try to stay under the undercraft,
Hmm.
you get locked up in the school because them don't get them just lock up the gate and go.
Why? I don't know. All I know just have a primary school smell.
Daddy,
I ramping, you know?
Some,
Nah, me a sweet boy, you mad?
Daddy,
Bridget, me no sweat. If one sweat, me don't stay so. With my rag.
Daddy, I know you ever kick ball and I play ball and I did that.
True man, Lillian froze it too. Yo, cause I know ramping turn up at the time, you know, man. Yeah, man. But it's a phenomenon. I can't understand it with every single primary school picnic. I guess I little ram too much. Yeah, man. I like a young green smell, you know, young and moldy, you know.
That's why last name green.
No. That is the power of will. What is will? Like, you tell yourself, say, I am going to make something happen, or you're going to make a particular thing happen, and you believe in it, and you make it happen. So, for example, now you say, you want to, which your language artist say you want to increase your grades? Yeah. So you just focus on that. Now you can't do it with your mind, you know, you have to put in the work, you know. But based off of how much you believe in yourself that you are going to raise your grades, and you put in the work, you look at just see start manifest. Yeah. So that is something that is important for you to have, you know, believing in yourself. You know what is believing in yourself? What is believing in yourself? You set your mind to something and you achieve it. Alright. Yeah. But for many of us, we don't believe in ourselves. We don't believe in ourselves at all. You set out that you want to do something. Alright, remember when you're talking about finding a small business for you to do? What if you told yourself that you would have never found one? Yeah. Exactly, you'd have just give up. I said, sure, the water thing not working out, so can't bother. And sadly, this is how a lot of people operate, you know. And this is why a lot of people remain poor. Because you tell yourself that you can't do this and you can't do that and oh, I will never achieve this. But if you tell yourself that you'll never achieve it, you will never achieve it. Anyhow, you tell yourself that you can't do something and you continue feeding that negativity to yourself, you'll never achieve anything. I'm telling you. Yeah, so you never gave up. Come on and say, yo, you know, candy business and thing, and it was going on very good.
It's just that online class stopped.
Yeah, so you have to move from there, but you know, this is an opportunity now for you to think about what else you can do. And I was surprised, you made what $10,000 for the first day? Something like that? Yeah. So you have to tell yourself now, or ask yourself, what else can I do? It's like I was having a conversation with one of my brethren, and he was talking about purchasing something. And first thing he must say, yo, I can't afford that. Let me say how much it costs. Him don't know. So I say, you don't know how much it costs and you know you can't afford it. But a lot of us are so operate. We tell her, I say, oh, I can't afford this, I can't afford that, I can't.
Because if you say a car like this one, like this car, then people that look at it and say, I don't know how I'm going to afford it, I can't afford it. But then so then you put your mind to it and then you try to
of course.
Goal and do something.
You set your goal. But you learn, touch me, general. You learn, man. You set your goals and you work towards your goal. You know, when you talk to me like this, I feel extra proud, don't you? Someone want to reason with me all the time. You understand? Because guess what? No matter what I tell you so, no matter if you get all A's at school and all good grades, which you should be getting, but if you don't know how to apply yourself in this world, you don't know how to use all of that what you learn at school to function in the world, you're going to fail. And I see a lot of people who are book smart, intellectually smart, but they're failing at life itself because of some of the simple things like what you mentioned. Goal setting. Them not have a goal, them not set no goal. You understand? And when you set the goal, you have to have a plan how you're going to achieve this. But you're talking about poor saying him can't afford it and him don't know the cost. See?
Figure out the cost.
Yeah.
You see what you can do to make the money to afford it.
Right. But you know what I noticed? The difference between persons who might not have it like that and rich or wealthy people. So when the poor man say, well, I can't afford it, I can't afford it. The rich man or the wealthy man say, how can I afford it? What can I do to afford this? So the difference is in the mindset how we look at life and we look at things. Yeah. I tell you. So with for you coming up now, you might not doubt yourself, man. If you have a challenge with something, whichever subject, because your problems are limited in it, you don't have much problems in it. Your challenge is doing well in school and behaving yourself. Because you basically have everything what you would need for your comfort. You don't have no problem. Like when I was growing up, I tell you all the time, because we're not grow rich. You understand? Yeah, man, you know, be out a door, man.
I'll be outside.
But nobody now walk past and see a naked.
Yeah.
Where?
That is the neighbor's kid. They are on the cycle and on the Sonic.
Yeah, you know, may I tell you. Remember, some mornings I go to school and I bread and tea, the mint on the back, and bread and butter. Which dumpling, bread and butter for your breakfast, but guess what? At the time, you know, maybe that feel one kind of way in yourself and I say, God no, because you know, struggle is real, but it's a mindset. It's how you look at things. Because my mother just give me the bread, so you know, she toast it, but them time they don't have no sense, but I even know say a tea and toast me I get for go to school. You understand me? Just I look on it as bread and tea. but it's tea and toast. Yeah. You know?
So get something
With and see it, there you go, at least, because I would have had other kids who come to school without nothing. But the difference is, you know, no matter what go on, no matter how the struggle real, you know, you can't know, you know, because I'm not going to come to school and ball and beg nobody, but hold it. Hold my own. Because I know when I go home dinner there. You understand? And I have my lunch money same way. But yeah, man. But the point is, you go through all of that already. So you're not supposed to come and have to go through that. You understand? So you see, when you come of age now, any level that you see me at or your mother at, you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to go higher. That is the point. Yeah. So you should always have a goal, because a lot of times what we do as parents, we remove that goal from our kids, because that hunger that I had to succeed, that drive that I had come and say, yo, you know, struggling life now look good, and I elevate my family and make sure so my kids, them when them come, them have certain things, and that was something that motivated me. But when we come on, we're comfortable and at a level now, you guys just get everything and spoil. Now I have to work for certain things and them way there, but no, we can't do that. That is why I tell you all the time. If you want to negotiate about anything at all, you have to give me something.
Because I want the bicycle.
You remember boy bicycle with Fontana?
And then, no,
How much for it? You not find out how much for it yet.
my government, my sentence. You said,
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Go ahead and finish your sentence, sir.
like you said, the bicycle was Fontana. You said, first I have to show that I'm doing and I'm working on my schoolwork, and then
Yeah.
you see, because I'm putting in some work, and
Yeah.
then you see if I can, and then you see if you can get it.
Yeah, man. I want to see the grades, them, man. I want to see the grades, them. You understand? Alright, my general. Alright, later, pops.
Have a good day.
Have a good day. Love you.
Love you too.
Where you are going now? Smart Alec. Where you are going? Yeah. So you know the thing going on in real life with Donte now. More time, I just saw the realness up. You understand? Now my son kick back on all I want to reason. This is my moment within my morning time. You know the reason otherwise, but you see in the morning, something about the morning reasoning. Yeah, early morning reasoning, you know? And talking about discipline kids and not short-changing discipline for friendship. Me not short-change discipline, where I'm concerned. Yeah, and if we get straightened out. I mean, I mean beating, because I don't like beating. I like the beating something. Yeah, my father never beat me, so I don't believe when I subscribe to that beating something. And I see where it make a difference to them kids. But you can be a disciplinarian and have a good relationship with your kid just the same. That is the point. You can have a good relationship with your child and you be a disciplinarian same way. It's about balance. It's about showing your child say you love them. You understand? It's about how you interact with them, allowing them to express themselves, allowing them to feel comfortable around you, but at the same time, they know if them slip up, they might get straightened out. You understand? Parenting is not easy, especially in the 21st century. It's a challenge because these kids are different. And one thing to note as parents, they have to be careful with the psyche of these kids. Because I see if they decide to shut down for you, you can't do anything. You think, oh, or that beat, or that lick, or that kick, box, thump, to what avail? Or you box down and kick down and thump down and what? Them shut down for you. And just decide to listen, nah, I do not know what you say, I'm not doing anything, kill me. And then what? How would you feel now as a parent? Can't feel good. No. So, we have to be strategic, man. You know? And show them love, man. But at the same time, yeah, tough love is important. So show now them taxi people, now them cars be a problem right so. Georgia, just how I get. Yeah, and I tell me now if you come around, eat them. Yeah. That is it, man. That is it. Show the kids love. You understand? Show the kids love. Make sure you show them love, but at the same time, don't be fooled, because I hear a lot of parents say, oh, me have to be friends with my pitney, so me can't this and me can't. Of course, me and my parents are to date, me and my parents are friends. And nobody bust my butt like my mother. You know how mother stay. I just say, who that? I start get some Jet Li style, karate lick, and my mother and my best friend. My parents. Because certain things I talk to my father about, I don't talk to my mother about. And certain things I talk to my mother about, I don't talk to my father about. Yeah. You understand? But yeah, man. Don't start change discipline. And there are a number of ways, man. Find what them love. Take away certain things from them. Yeah, when the punishment need to turn up, but mostly I can tell you, talk to them, reason with them. And it's not a reason with your kid about something that they're supposed to do. It's not a one-off thing. Because we have this thing as parents, we feel, I'm guilty of it sometimes, I have to remind myself. You feel like once you say this, then we just hear. And you say, listen, take up your book every evening, then go take up them book every evening. You usually take up your book every evening when the parents tell you, no. But being consistent, and you don't have to make it be a stressful thing. Just make sure you be consistent. Not make it stressful, but be consistent. We're at an age now we can't bother the bag of talking, but be consistent. If they're not do, hey, go take up that. If it's a word that they're using and they're not using it correctly each time when them say it, you correct them. The word is not snake, it's snake. Family, it's family. Every time until them get it. And even when you think that they don't get it, remember when you were a kid? And after you get older now, you have some little, what you call them thing there, testimony. You talk and you say, boy, my mother, my parents used to say this and maybe them things I never listen, but this is where I got this from. And yeah, man, we have to be consistent, man, vigilant. Yeah. Especially in this world where these kids are influenced by so many different negative mediums, or the negativity is coming from so many different mediums, because we don't have any control over the music that they listen to. Some amount, but we know how it goes. Them find the time and then we hear stuff which has an impact on them, whether it is direct or indirect, whether it is in the conscious or the subconscious, them hear it. So it is what you plant in their head now as it relates to their morals and values and so forth that is going to help to keep them on the straight and narrow. But anyways, my peeps, don't know as usual in real life. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with the channel, watching it grow, because it's still at 190 something subscribers, and I am happy regarding all those who are here now for the journey. So when I reach 100,000, and me can do a thing, because that is in the pipeline definitely for those early subscribers, and yeah, man. But give thanks for the support, thanks for all the sharing and support and the comments, the feedback. Yeah, I have my brethren, Rowan. What I did a vlog, and him say, yo, one section of the vlog where you were in the airport, that was a bit too long, with in the lounge area, and I appreciate stuff like that, because it helped It helps you to put out better content. It helps you to tailor your content to Jaja. Someone, wow, I tell you, it helps you to tailor your content to better connect with your audience, you know, and yeah, it's all a part of the growth process. So I really appreciate that. Alright guys, so thanks again. This video is a bit long, so I'm not going to continue along Barnett Street this morning. Just have a blessed day. Big up on yourself, and say no on a real life with Donte. Continue to support, like, subscribe and share. Drop your comments and tell me what I want. And I have a few people say them like a little big head boy on me and my role. So you know, it's features.